Karong pini Karbi Anglong Tv9 News kilang aradono pansame karong pipa jupani. Pini berta thanbang nelimen mirdan thangjupi. Tangte non ki bertang ton pen arjuponita.
Khat khati kararong pilapen long hup timunga rong along tomon ke the ahir kangtang. Lason sila khain ko raisi Borjan constituency ka parlopon kararong piarong along atumi porphai si malom pen men ahir kangtang rakatomon charting wangsi humthong kebra ke thom anbak ahem kana hokdu. Kararong PSGB arong rongasar rajen rong piahem lapen rongarat don cleaner cap lapen long hup timunga rongasar ahem lapen rongarat don kritrok an ahem kanahok thedung thangjang no laso tomon kapanahok along government pen kiron pon PMAY G ahem sota hum thom an kahino dunno lapen kache thor miri hingta hino erlo lapen penang an ahem ke atumi pen non pu anta hemasar nu chidip movi pin an atumta dolang atheke apranga chidip ating an ke tomon phangno pilaplo athe apranga chidip ating an ke tomon phangno pi era jok non tong sekot ke chelong thek bang widatlo lapen to we to dap arve ke changa hota osomar pen arve charsi nang lunlo lapen piri lapen hem arlong ki duwa son anta nang champi elo puta hadagara da tumpen pherang ke gidam hut nang chithando anparta hadak Borjan constituency along EM ake hai sarjorong phar lapen tim Karbi Anglong atumta kachelang dam lapen kahomri dam non anta dam delang pusi hadagara da tum pherang ke thengno chithan pon lapen alang litum pen puthot pherang ke thengno pen tim Karbi Anglong lapen local EM ake hai sarjorong phar atuma phan chuningri padi krimsi alang litum ake sunga lamthe mathara nang ravek tha pusi chuningri paklang pon lapen alang litum phansi la rong niaran atumta towar chulang prong lo pusi pachini pon tangte akisung ke phove ka tumpen kachithan pon alam arju pon sile mokajan pen arun taro Karbi Anglong TV9 News
kararong piarong dai ke lasi nilimen ke rajen rong pipu napen ke nila pomen ke suturong pi
ke nang li ladak nali tumarong along GB bang ko mai
jibi ke nile malo rong asar malo
tangte nang li tumarong don ko andulo nang tumarong
don ngko lasi
tangte lasu gan ti tum kar julong ateng pen tomon ke thi pen jok hemrit ke lukson dun du upula bang sobu thak long don ko an bang nal tuma arong arada tum ahem ke lukson dun du
minimum don cleaner ke bak son bal dogi pon bortoman
tangte lasu tomon ke thi ke kona porlo migla
thik baji si molam
arni bang ke
arni bang atumi diobar ni 31 March lo
tangte atumi pen nang to labang so ke sung ke ponang labang so long local MSC pen penina ka homri son dulu ma
yok pan tabegla bortoman ke
nang litung ko pe constituency se puri
Borjan constituency 21 Borjan constituency
tang ke nang tum la local MSC pan mate EM lo alang li pan ko pilo nang tum hen peng chuning rikang tung ke
kirab chonghang tun la pulo dak company ko rong pirong lo kara rong pirong lo sok kidukang si nasi sar phana ke chuning lo je ki ko hem la tingan ta heno lab lo si tinga son pi manang kira ponya son nan bangke local MSC surjorong phar sar phanta chuning ripon lo plus tim Karbi Anglong lo plus CM Dr. Tunam rong hang sar phanta mai chuning riponing lo je dak chot ta kali mane holong hubrong da duiglang karagaon area dakta son thak lo pani suri sunna pinang khinam duig lo ahem pon pipla lo ta jok stame wang banglang ko ko pani sarkar himan bangke
tang te labang so tumun ke thik ke pholong ko bini kiti ki yang asona reng so sona son du
non bortoman ka begla ajlong ala
la hem te silip son pon cha
hem si lokso mon chola
tang te la hem pini la ru brai pon an pini jinsu be mi son da du iglum
duiglo mane hola po side la long huba side bang duiglo hem dakta tolo
Karbi Anglong Tumpan ke sar ke thik ding Tumpan an ki chuning ri dini puke nilitum dakalam kisung ke boy det apot nilitum non bortoman ke ting le nang pi sonte boya lo nilitum non mat ki du ki thik thik thede lo nilitum ta jo non mat ki la sinang nilitum pan ki chuning ri dini puke la ting an le nilitum pan nang rap thek asonte nilitum nang nilitum pan kiru mane ning nang rapo pusi nilitum ta nang litum han chuning rilo ning che thelo mane
na kidam ta
APHLC Maipu jai ka tharmati MP candidate hinpen methang boha long pherang ke mai kang nipon non vote jok pudong dogapor asong tina candidate bang phu atumta aning arlo alam lapen radaphan ki klem pijian sayamu arat radaphan jethan ponjian ning ke hang kinang sot dokok wa posi bang phutina candidate ta radaphan jethan pon reblo nason thosi jangmi project lo ni phai CR ni APHLC Maipu jai ka tharmati MP candidate hinpen mithang boha long pherang ke mai kang nipon jase met pini bangso pherang ke mai long ake hai je ai ka thar hin pen pherang ke kaning je pona tengke nonang ke leje MP kilik along jongsi nilitum APHLC asong atum ki hai lote nilitum aprangsi ki klemponji hem prega pharman Karbi Anglong nijang Karbi Anglong laben di mahasao arat akar article 244A Citizen Amendment Act mate thi hek pen CAA labang pavedet nangji laben kaprek kaching thoramu lahai hoi sitame nilitum klempon vekji puta ake hai je ai ka thara hin pen than pon tangte nonang ton ake hai je ai ka thara hin pen phrangke thengno kaning je lamle arju pon lona news the report Karbi Anglong TV9
fighting for them, all of them. And in the bigger field, I am from APHLC, we are a part of this 15 united opposition group of Assam. We are a part of that. So we will work for the protection of the Ohomia people in Assam. And the Northeast India will fight for that. All Northeast India, Nagaland, Mizoram, Tripura, Meghalaya, Arunachal Pradesh, this APHLC will work for all the tribal people for their protection and for the protection of their land. And then according to the Sikh schedule, it is tribal area. It is a constitution. It is not a reservation law, but it is a constitution. So we will implement constitutionally. So while implementing constitutionally, we will give land only to the tribal people and government services only to the tribal people and Kilonjia, Ohomia and Adivasi people. That is what we are fighting for. Because our people do not know what is politics. They only play politics. So now the situation is that in 1951, tribal Karbi people were 88% in 1951. Now in 2021, Karbi people percentage is only 35 or 40 only now. 44 I think. 44% only now. And then tribal people is only 55% now, from 96%. Because we played politics, we did not work politics. So we want to work politics according to law. All land, everything, opportunities will be given to the tribal people and the Kilonjia, Ohomia and Adivasi people. Those for whom the Sikh schedule has been established.
Sir, do you think your opposition or any other political parties that are about to contest from the Diffu MP, do they have better interest of the tribal people?
They do not have any interest for the preservation of tribal people. BJP, Congress, it is they who have spoiled the Sikh schedule. It is they, because of them, we have been reduced to 44% because of them. Because of them, we have lost all government job. See, in 2021, they appointed teachers at a time. 1,345 teachers. Out of them, Karbi got 59, and Kuki people got only 2, and Rengma people got only 1. That is, tribal people got only 62. Whereas, according to 6th schedule, all these 1,345 should be obtained by the tribal people, Shilonjia, Ohomia, and Adivasi. But this is not so. And because of that, the salary is paid from what? It is paid from the tribal welfare fund, from Ministry of Tribal Welfare. It is sent from there. Now, out of that, if we say one teacher's salary is 40,000 per month, then the tribal people get per month 24 lakhs 80,000 per month for the 62 teachers. Non-tribal people, 1,283 non-tribal people, they get 5 crores, 5 lakhs 20,000 per month out of tribal welfare fund. See, and how will we progress? Yes, because of this, Karbi people, out of 100 houses, 90%, 90 houses are mud plastered house. Mud plastered houses. Even now, the children sleep on damp floor, hardened floor. If you go to their kitchen, you will not find even one piece of rice in their kitchen. This is the position. They sleep on the floor. The children also. The wall, this mud plastered were all broken. This is the condition in Karbi Anglong among the tribal people. And there is no road leading to Kuki area. No road at all. No road at all. Even a motorcycle cannot go. The Kuki area and Singhasan Karbi area and Borpung Tarapung area and Jinam Valley in Dimhasao, Jinam Valley. To go to Jinam Valley, it is only, the distance is only 32 kilometers. It requires 8 hours to travel. What is that? That means there is no road at all. 73 years have passed. They have not constructed even a road in Jinam Valley. And there are several places like that in Dimhasao. We have got nothing to drink. There is no water. There is no ring well. The ring well under this ministry, the present ministry, they took up a ring well construction. There is no water. All incomplete ring wells. All incomplete dwelling houses. How is this? So we are fighting against this. Sixth schedule has been given to us to raise us to the level of the general people. Now, here in Karbi Anglong itself, the level of general people is as high as this, and the sixth schedule people is still down below there, even in sixth schedule area. To tell you the truth, it is like Karbi, even his lengthy is also snapping, helping the pilot flying a rocket, that kind of thing.
Sir, the present government under the leadership of Narendra
Pinia berta ke lang si intong pon ikoklo dumi thangmi.